let's go.
Kick your tail feather. Lay my back first.
Malcolm's like, loser.
Loser, he's still saying it about you.
Yeah, you stand up on it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Sit down, I'll sit in my mouth. Sit. Put your feet up. Well, not on the wheels, because then you're just gonna...
He's good. Golden boy.
I got you. Look at my hair, lift up your feet.
You were so scared earlier, and you're the only one that stayed on.
He just did like a nose wheelie for like 10 minutes.
Here, pass it a bit more time to stand with my feet up. Hurry up. TNT. Almost at my face. Oh! I got a tire to my kuka. Wait.
Put your feet up right now. No, not there.
That's bad. That's why you fell last.
Oh, so where do they go?
Straight out.
Like I had them.
Straight in front of you.
Put the wheels so that they're not on the slide yet.
Not on the side?
Not on the slide.
You gotta bump yourself onto it.
You gotta bump yourself onto it like you're
God,
snowboarding.
That's why you guys keep hurting your nuts. I'm gonna start my period.
Now go.
Push yourself. Feels so good, doesn't it? Radio fire.
She's holding her cooch. Baby, your turn. You gotta try it once.
No.
I just got raped. Radio flyer lawsuit.
Hey, Travis, look, a perfect landing. A nice little...
He wishes
Watch out, Felicia.
I'm gonna do like 2 jumps.
I'm gonna need stitches.
What?
Why?
Oh, come on.
You tried to ride down the side of the slide.